Hey guys, this is Jesse back over here at S&J Custom. I've been having this blank here forever. It's a little bit of a low layer, just a simple stack. You can see, look real close. Yeah, I didn't put y'all through all of the normalizing and quenching and all that. I just pulled these out of the oven here just a few minutes ago. This one right here is just a low layer, the little piddling thing I had laying around. Nice little blade, you know, it just ain't got very many layers. Now this one here is the clad knife, where I've got 210 layers on each side. I have an 80 CRV2 core in the middle, and I have a 15N20 piece that I put in between that. So we're gonna see how all that works out. And I ain't got much time left, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean this up and get it polished up enough where I can etch it, and we'll let y'all see that. All right guys, we did a quick and dirty on this one right here with the grinder. We hit it with an old 80 grit, knocked off the sludge, and we're gonna dip it in the acid to see what we're looking at. Yeah, I like that. Let's give it a second, then I'll get with y'all on that one, man. All right, guys, check this out. You can see the pattern. Got my logo in there this time, you know. Doesn't work real good when you etch a logo in on Damascus. My stamp is off, so I'm going to have to get another one. But you can see the pattern in this. Now, I have a really thick, because I didn't want no warps. I want a nice hard edge. So what you're looking at here, you see that little dip right there? That's finally getting away from the Damascus clad in the 210 layers, and that's the shim. But my core is centered. You can see it right here. It's centered. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scribe a line down the middle of this, and then we're gonna go to town grinding this back up to this right here. And then next time y'all see this and I etch it, it'll have a dark wave right here where that core turns dark. And hopefully that 15N20 will have enough shine and pizzazz in it to look like a nickel shim type thing. Yeah, I'm gonna probably get into the copper before I do anything else, but the 15N20 finishes real bright anyway. Thanks a lot, guys. Y'all have a good week, man.